Welcome guys. If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone to your Samsung Galaxy S10, for the first you have to go for the Play Store and get application to transfer data. I recommend you to download the CLONEit. Click on the install, and of course on the second smartphone you have to do the same. I did it and right now I can open it. We are waiting for the Samsung. Click open. Click allow. Yes, we agree. And right now, click sender on your Android phone, tap set, turn on location, go back, and click sender one more time. On the S10, select receiver, click allow. You have to just accept all of this required permissions, right? Click set, turn on location, click here to go back to our app. Okay, go back, click receiver one more time, click search again, click on this Android share icon, and we have two ways to connect. We can scan the QR code, but also we can input this password manually. So pick your way. I'm going to scan the code, grab your phone, put the frame into the QR code, put it back, accept the request, and right now if you want to send everything you have to click on all of these icons and then just tap start. But if you want to get some details you have to go here, click, for example for the music, I'm going to show you how it works here, and I take this 2 songs, click start, okay. And as you can see, it's finished. So, thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.